Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl SharekaB and I'm back with another video. Yes, I'm back and we are about to get glammed up, guys.
Bitches play real niggas step this way. Ain't no average in this thing. I'm bossed up in this thing. Got these niggas going insane. Only real shit move this thing. Only real shit move this thing.
A hair tutorial today. I got something in the mail. I got some goodies in the mail. I'm excited because y'all, I've been needing my hair done and I've been waiting on this wig to arrive, child. Like, I've been waiting a little minute, okay? All right. And today we are going to be installing a closure wig, and it's curly hair, and y'all know I love me some curly hair. So I've been trying to get back into a little curly, you know what I'm saying, a little curly hair since it's winter time. Well, about to be winter time or whatever. And big hair, fluffy hair is just so cute for the fall, winter time with your outfits and stuff like that. So I ordered my wig from Rawfx. And it came in this little package. It's so cute. Look at this. So it came in this little package like this. And this is how the unit looks. It's so cute, y'all. This hair is so gorgeous. So this is the unit. 4x4 lace closure unit. And it's a 14-inch adjustable caps on it. And you can, you know, tighten it however you want it. So it comes with the strap as well, so it can be really tight on your head. And it actually has a lot of clips in it. It has 2 on the sides and it has a clip in the back. So this wig is really gonna like fit real snug, y'all, real snug. And that's how I like my wigs to fit, you know what I'm saying? You never know, you gotta fight and somebody tries to snatch your wig off your head, then you're gonna have an issue. This is how the unit looks. It already comes pre-plucked and it already comes like pre-dyed, so you don't, they already like basically dyed the closure part for you, so you don't necessarily have to dye it. I'm not gonna dye it because I haven't like really tried dyeing lace fronts and lace closures yet. I will later on, but right now there's no need to dye it because they basically already pre-plucked it. It comes like that, which is very, very good. It's very convenient. If you're like me, if you are, you know, more on a rush, you don't really feel like dyeing hair and all that stuff, this is like the perfect wig for you. And this wig actually comes already like, you know, ready to just install. So I did not wash it yet. I didn't do anything to it. This is just the natural state it's in. And I think I'm just gonna install it for you guys tonight. I'll probably go ahead and wash it another time, like pre-wash it, put some conditioner in it. And since it's like curly hair, you basically can buy, you know, some Lotta Body or anything like in curl enhancement for this hair, so it can just really like give it more volume or that really wet look. And that's what I'll probably try next, because I can't wait to like wet it and make it all like, you know, looking like you on an island or something. Is Get Rawfx, and this is how their IG looks. So if you go on Instagram, just scroll and find them, and they have so many things on their website that you can just, you know, look and see. Really good stuff. And yeah, this is their Instagram, so make sure you guys go follow them. They have so many good units to purchase. I'm so excited because I cannot wait to purchase more units from this company, because already this hair is just feeling real lovely. So yes, Get Rawfx. Make sure you guys follow them, like their pictures, buy some wigs from them, because they're serving, baby girl. And this is the unit that I purchased. I need my hair done, okay? And my wig has arrived. So let's get into the video. The video. tried to do the baby hair thing in the front. Now, I don't know how to do all that. It did not work. So I kind of just like swooped it up in the front a little bit, like just to have like 2 little swoops going this way, just to give it like a little effect or whatever in the front. But it looks really, really good. This hair is really nice. I'm so excited about this hair. I am in love. Like, it's super bouncy, super curly. The curls are not nappy. It's not tangly at all. You guys go over to getrawfx.com and purchase these units. They have a lot of units, so you can purchase whatever kind you like. Make sure you guys go over there now because their units get sold out really fast. I had to catch this unit like so fast when I could, because every time I go to the website it'll be gone. So it finally was available, and I did get a size small because my head is small. But they do have a small, medium, and large. If you don't know what unit size you should get, you can always email them and ask them, this is the measurements of my head, what unit do you think I should get, a small, medium, large? And make sure you email them and they will help you out with that. See, it's so flowy, you know what I'm saying? So cute. So I'm gonna let this lay on there for a little bit, and then I'm gonna take it off, and I'll come back on camera and let you guys see what it looks like. Guys, and this is how it came out. It looks so good. It looks so natural, y'all. Like, for a closure, like, this looks so good. I know sometimes we all feel like we can't achieve that natural look unless it's like a lace frontal, but this closure is really, really nice. I didn't have to do too much to it. Like I said, I just put some makeup on the lace to let it blend in. The lace closure already came pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so you don't have to do much. So you just apply the wig how you like it and just keep it moving. So got to be, of course, on your hair. This I live by. This is what I apply all my wigs with. You don't want to not use some type of freezing spray or some type of spray to lay your lace down. That's all you need to use for real. I mean, it's just easy. Like, I love wigs that's just easy to go, and the hair is just amazing. I'm satisfied. That's how it looks. It's just like super bouncy, super, you know, flowy. You can go like this, you know what I'm saying? I love it. So I will put the link down in the description box of this exact unit that I got, and I'm excited, and I'm so happy that I found a company that can achieve the short curly look that I've been looking for. So don't forget to go over there and get some wigs, get some units, see what they're working with, because they got a lot of units, y'all. And make sure you hurry up because their units go so fast. Like, they get sold out so fast. I was so happy when I finally seen that, you know, they restocked with this hair. So I was so excited. So I'm happy with my results. I'm pleased. Okay, I'm pleased. I love me a good hair company. Okay, thanks for watching this video. You know I got you guys. Like, the hair tutorials is my thing. I love it. I love just talking about hair. It makes me so happy. And I actually have a surprise coming up for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned to my hair tutorials and announcements, because I will be announcing something very soon, and I'm excited about it. You guys will be excited about it too, so don't miss out on that. So make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel. Don't want to miss out on none of my videos, so click that notification bell so you'll know when I post another video. And I love you guys, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye.